Have you ever been scared by a mouse? Have you ever get anxious or cautious when there's a mouse under your fridge? Have you ever do little jumps whenever you see a mouse? Or have you ever get in the table or something high because you think the mouse couldn't reach you? Well, I don't. That's okay though, that's normal. Fear of mouse is a common sense. Besides, this pest is small and ticklish that some people can't stand this kind of animal. After all, these pests not only disturb and make your home messy, but they are quite harmful too. Because rat droppings carry harmful bacteria, disease and viruses. Not only that, rats can also pose various dangers in the house, such as biting cables, chewing wires, stealing food, and then contaminating it in the process. Now, how do we stop this? Well, you could use a trap. But most traps are expensive. Also, a mouse trap can only be used a few times, so you have to buy another one when it's out of use. Even some of them can only be used once. You could get a cat to hunt a mouse for you, but sometimes cats are too lazy or even scared to hunt a mouse. All this could have been avoided by keeping your house clean all the time. But if you are looking for an effective way to get your house free of mouse, you should try my product. It's a cheap, reusable, easy to make, easy to use, eco-friendly, small plastic mouse trap. Just wait for the mouse to walk into the trap, take the bait, and boom, you just got a mouse trap. As I said, it's easy to make. I'll leave a link to the tutorial on the description below. But if you still want to get my product, it's available in online stores like Shopee, Tokopedia, etc. And as I said, this is an eco-friendly product, so by buying this, you are taking a part in cleaning the earth. Clean house free of mouse.